Ibabalik kita ng buong-buo. Pangako yan sa'yo lang ang puso ko. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So quick disclaimers first, we're going to be looking at a capo on the 2nd fret as well, which means that this is not going to be your 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. And aside from that, I'm going to be playing this as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as teaching this to you guys as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic and electric guitar. And aside from that, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. But yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for this song, there's only really 2 chords that we're going to be playing throughout the entire thing, and it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the D major 9 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Now playing this chord without a capo is going to be really tricky, and it's going to be a little bit more complicated for beginner guitarists especially. So I'm just going to be using a capo on the 2nd fret here, just to make things a little bit easier, and you guys will be able to focus on singing more when it comes to performing this song. You're welcome. So yeah, so first chord is going to be the D major 9 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Now for this one, we're going to be using our thumb to mute the lower E string and the A string like so. Then after that, it's going to be plucking the open string on the D string. So not really pressing any strings on that, on any fret. It's going to be the 2nd fret on the G string, 2nd fret on the B string. It's going to be another open string on the high E string. Now you could play it like this, or like this as well. Doesn't really matter. My preference is like this way, so I just play it like this. And then the next chord is going to be the A major 9 chord. It's going to be this one right here. And so for this one, we're only going to be muting the lower E string with our thumb again. Once again, it's going to be open A string, 2, 1, open, then open. Yep, A major 9 chord. Once again, D major 9 chord. Then the other one's going to be the A major 9 chord. Yep. First one. Then the other one's going to be the A major 9 chord. Pretty cool. And so for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's a little bit long compared to the usual strumming patterns that I teach you guys, but it's also pretty simple. So it's going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Yep, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. So once again, when you prefer using your fingers, recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and this part of your thumb for the up strums. That's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. But if you prefer to use a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, because you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums like so, and upward motions with the up strums. And when it comes to gripping your pick, I recommend putting your thumb in your pick perpendicular like so, pinching it with your index finger, making sure that the tip's sticking out like that, and making sure that your hand, wrist, and your forearm is not too loose nor too tight, so that you'll be able to strum perfectly and comfortably as you do the strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Just like that. And with that said, that entire strumming pattern will be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that we're going to be playing in this song. And as for the chord progression that we're going to be doing for the entirety of the song, it's going to be this one right here. So it's just going to be the D major 9 chord for 8 counts, which means that we're going to be doing the strumming pattern twice for this chord, as well as for the A major 9 chord, which we're also going to be playing for 8 counts as well. And we're going to be just repeating that chord progression for a total of 20 repetitions, and that's going to be your song basically from start to finish. So it's going to be the D major 9 chord for 8 counts. Once again, going to be doing the strumming pattern twice. It's going to be like this. It's going to be the A major 9 chord for 8 counts. Like that. Pretty cool. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Ibabalik kita ng buong-buo, pangako yan sa'yo, sa'yo lang ang puso ko. Kahit kaibig mo, at hahalik ka na ay lipstick na dugo, sa labi ko puno ng panlasa ko. Sa'yo. So yeah, that's the entire tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this point of the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it, as well as subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by setting a super thanks smile video down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials or any other videos for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.